Welcome back to the deep dive. We always aim to cut through the noise and bring you, well, the really fascinating insights. Today, we're plunging into a world where extreme durability meets really exquisite design and asking the question, how do master craftspeople actually blend cutting-edge materials with, timeless artistry? How do they forge something genuinely extraordinary?
Exactly. And our focus today, it's a perfect example of that exact alchemy, really. We're looking at the new Bremont Supermarine 500 meters ceramic, specifically the Polar White Dial Edition. And this isn't just a time-telling instrument, not at all. It's more like a profound statement on what's possible when, advanced material science meets horological innovation that really pushes the boundaries of both form and function.
Okay. So our mission for this deep dive then is to really unpack what makes this watch such a standout piece. We want to go beyond just the surface specs. We'll explore its groundbreaking case construction, look at the intricate internal mechanisms, and really try to reveal the specific appeal and that meticulous craftsmanship involved. We want to give you a clear sense of its unique place, in the world of high-performance timepieces. Let's dive in. So maybe we should start with that formidable exterior, particularly the new monoblock black ceramic case. I mean, Supermarine collection's always been known for robustness, right?
Absolutely.
But this ceramic, it feels like it's on another level. How is a case like that actually engineered? And what makes the ceramic such a game changer for durability?
It really is an incredible feat of engineering. You're right. So this 43 millimeter ceramic case, it actually starts its life as just ceramic powder.
Powder, wow.
Yeah, powder, which is then compressed and undergoes this process they call sintering. And that happens at an astonishing temperature,
Wow.
1450 degrees Celsius.
1450 C, that's intense.
It is. Sintering essentially fuses those ceramic particles together at that extreme heat. It creates this incredibly dense, non-porous material. And that's what gives it that exceptional scratch resistance. Far more than, say, traditional steel.
Right, much harder.
Definitely.
Yeah.
What's fascinating here is that even with this advanced ceramic on the outside, there's still a separate titanium inner container.
Ah, okay, so it's not just ceramic through and through.
No, and that's not just for looks. It provides additional structural resilience and, crucially, shock absorption for the movement inside.
I see, extra protection.
Exactly. And for those really venturing into true depths, saturation diving, it also incorporates that vital helium escape valve.
Right, to stop the crystal popping off during decompression.
Precisely. It protects the watch from pressure buildup.
That's a level of protection most of us, we can only really imagine needing. Beyond the ceramic itself, what other external features contribute to its overall integrity and the look and feel?
Well, despite being so rugged, the case maintains a pretty manageable thickness, actually. Just 12.98 millimeters.
That's not bad at all for a 500-meter diver.
Not at all. And it features a titanium unidirectional bezel, but it's PVD treated.
PVD, physical vapor deposition.
That's the one. It's a thin film coating process. It enhances the durability of the titanium and gives it that deep black scratch-resistant finish. And then that bezel is topped with a black ceramic insert. So ceramic on ceramic in a way.
Double protection.
Right. And then the domed sapphire crystal covering the dial. That's also got an anti-reflective coating.
Essential for legibility.
Absolutely. Ensures crystal clear reading in pretty much any condition. It's really a holistic approach. Every element serves both form and function.
Okay, so given that really robust external engineering, what choices did Bremont make for the dial to ensure it's equally resilient but also highly functional? That polar white wave pattern dial, it really pops.
It truly does. And that polar white wave pattern isn't just visually striking, though it certainly is. It's specifically designed for exceptional high contrast legibility.
Right, white on black elements.
Exactly. And it uses this clever mix of shapes for the applied marker circles, rectangles, that really aids in quick, intuitive time reading, especially, in challenging environments.
Makes sense.
And here's where it truly excels, I think. Both the markers and the black gold-plated hands. They're generously filled with white superluminova.
Good lume is crucial on a dive watch.
Absolutely. But this isn't just any lume. It emits a really vivid blue glow. That ensures truly outstanding visibility in low light and, crucially, underwater conditions.
Okay, and that blue glow specifically, how does that genuinely enhance visibility in extreme conditions? Is it just brighter? And are there any other sort of specific details on the dial that contribute to its unique identity or its operational usefulness?
Well, the blue glow is critical because blue light actually penetrates water more effectively than other colors.
Ah, right. Physics.
Exactly. So it provides more consistent legibility when you're actually down at depth.
Yeah.
As for other details, yes, there's a date aperture is positioned quite discreetly over at 3 o'clock.
Okay.
And below the 12 o'clock marker, you'll find Bremont's new Wayfinder motif and their logo, which creates a nice sort of visual balance with the text that's above the 6 o'clock marker.
Keeps it clean.
Very. And then there's the black inner flange, that ring between the dial and the crystal. That clearly hosts the minutes and seconds track. It's precisely marked with double-digit numerals at every 5-minute interval. So, yeah, every element is really thoughtfully placed for maximum utility and a balanced look. It definitely reinforces its credentials as a proper tool wash.
Okay, so we've delved into the impressive exterior, the high contrast dial. We absolutely have to ask, what incredible mechanism is actually lying beneath it all? What's driving this precision? What powers this beast?
The engine. This watch is powered by Bremont's caliber BB64AH. It's a robust automatic movement, and it's based on a Salida caliber.
Salida, okay. Reliable workhorses.
Very much so. And this one offers a significant 56-hour power reserve.
That's more than 2 full days. Handy.
Definitely. It operates at a high frequency, too, 28,800 vibrations per hour, or 4 hertz, which, contributes to its overall accuracy.
Sure.
But what makes it particularly noteworthy for this kind of watch are some of its high-quality components. They've been specifically chosen to ensure reliability in demanding conditions. For instance, it uses a Glucider balance wheel.
Glucider? What's special about that?
It's known for its exceptional resistance to thermal expansion, so it helps ensure consistent timekeeping across wide temperature fluctuations.
Ah, important for diving or adventuring.
Precisely. And it also uses an Anachron balance spring and a Nivaflex mainspring. These are critical as well. They're less susceptible to the effects of magnetism and wear over time.
So better accuracy and longevity.
Exactly. They help maintain accuracy and ensure consistent power delivery from the mainspring. So, this combination, it really ensures reliable and precise performance, which is exactly what you expect and, frankly, demand from a watch designed for such tough environments.
That really does sound like a movement designed to, well, truly withstand the elements and deliver consistent performance. Now, for those listening who appreciate a bit of exclusivity, is this particular edition readily available, or is it limited?
Good question. This specific Bremont Supermarine full ceramic polar white is indeed a limited edition. There are only 150 pieces being produced worldwide.
Only 150. That's quite exclusive.
It is. And each one comes with a choice of strap. You get either a durable woven NATO strap or a black rubber chevron strap. And both feature convenient quick-release systems, which is nice for easy changing.
Always a plus. And the price point.
It's priced at EUR 7,608.95 or GBP 6,450.
Right. So, wrapping things up then, what does this all mean for you, the listener? We've explored the Bremont Supermarine 500-meter ceramic polar white dial pretty thoroughly. We've uncovered its extreme durability from that pioneering ceramic case and the essential helium escape valve, right through to the high legibility of its distinctive dial and the really precise performance of its automatic movement. It feels like a true synergy of, well, form and function.
Absolutely. I think that this deep dive really highlights that intersection of robust engineering and refined aesthetics, the fact that it's a limited edition, only 150 pieces. That, combined with the specific choice of advanced materials, the ceramic case, the resilient titanium inner container, and those precision movement components we talked about, like the Glucider balance. It all exemplifies how this piece achieves both peak performance and genuine exclusivity. It really is a watch built to withstand extreme environments while maintaining a distinct, almost artful identity.
And that kind of leads us to a fascinating thought for you to ponder as we finish up. Consider the ongoing evolution of material science. Think about how it continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Not just in high-end watches like this, but really in countless objects we interact with every single day. What does it genuinely take for something to withstand the most challenging elements while simultaneously maintaining a distinct, striking identity? It's really a testament, isn't it, to the enduring value of combining serious technical prowess with a clear artistic vision, something to think about.